Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. I'm going over the trading for 4/17/2015. We had a great day today, but it was a complicated day. On gold, I took a trade here, and I took a little bit. I took the trade a little bit late, so you'd execute it on the next candle. Some of the people in the room got the trade in time. I did not. It was an 11-tick trade, but because I got the trade in late on my trader, I did not book it. I did not book the trade as a win. Then we had a lot of chop. Now this was a sideways moving trade into the 15. I just didn't have. I just didn't feel it appropriate long, simply because it didn't have order flow or momentum, didn't have background bias, and up it went. And that was it. It was really nothing else on gold. It was the 11-tick trade I called late, and we did not book. And that was it. Now we've removed the Russell simply because no one's trading it, and it has no follow through, no volatility. And we put the 6E in that we're going to trade on a 5 range. And today, it had a lot of volatility, but only really one stellar trade. And that was right here. This would have been a great short. And that would have been a 17-tick trade. There's really nothing else. Now, economic news came out at 8:30 that really just sent it flying. This was another short, a little more aggressive, but still another potential short here. And that would have been for 8 ticks. This long, an aggressive long. So we had some aggressive trades. Only one trade I would consider to be very conservative, and that was this trade right here, coming almost within 1 tick of the 50 on a break, retracement, and then move down. The fact that you have background bias really is what makes this trade so conservative. Now on the ES, now the market opened right here, and we had the break of the 50, retracement right up, and we pushed down for 6 ticks. We had 2 contracts off at 3, a contract off at 4, and I closed the trade at +5. Now, here was another break in retracement that I really should have taken. This was a missed entry, and I think I already marked it out. Well, it went 10 ticks. It was a very, very nice trade, and then went right to this low pivot. Then I took this trade, that just went 3 ticks, which was to our first target, and gave us 3. Then we had this tremendous trade. Now this one went 21 ticks. That's 5 1/4 points. What a tremendous trade that was. Now, these are all oversold trades. Then I took this break of the 50 with the 15 down, and this one went 17 ticks, 4 1/4 points. So 4 1/4 points, and we had 5 1/4 points. That's 9 1/2 points right there. And other than that, that was it. So we really had enormous trades, 2 huge trades on the ES. On crude. I'm just going to move that over because that's how we did for today, and I'll go over that with everyone. Now I opened up with this trade. Break, retracement right into the 15. Now I did not have bias, which means that order flow, it means that market structure, price action are not with me on the higher time frames. I also have areas of support that are not broken, and the trade did not make it. Now I did have bias, retracement, and the move down, and this trade went a grand total of 3 ticks before it reversed. So not much I could do about that. Now this was a potential short right into a pivot. I didn't take it, and this was an oversold trade. So I had 1 loss, 2 losses. Then I took a third on this engulfing candle. Move up, retracement, and this engulfing candle right off the 50. Now, it really didn't stop us out. I closed on a reversal. That's 9. And never came back 10. So if I didn't close on the reversal, and I shouldn't have, because closing on the reversal only gave us 1 additional tick. It only saved us a tick. And it never came back 10. And then I took the next candle up, and we got 33 ticks. All the way to our third target of plus 30. I could have eliminated that loser. But, you know, if we had a crystal ball, so we wound up with these 3 losers. But then we had a 33 tick winner. You saw all the winners we had in gold. And then this was a potential short. I didn't want to take it without bias. I let it go. I took this trade, and down it went for 22. So now we have plus 33, and we have plus 22. So here's how we did. We had 6 winners and 3 losers. On crude, we had plus 22, 1 contract off at 5, 1 off at 10, and I took the runner off at 14. Plus 33, 1 off at 5, 1 contract off at 10. We went all the way to 30. Then I had the 3 losers, 6, 6, and 9. 3 contracts at 6, 3 contracts at 9, 3 at 9, 3 at 6, 6 and 9. That's 6, 12. 21. It's almost 60 ticks right there. $600 to the downside. But just made it up with these huge winners. ES plus 6, 2 contracts off at 3, 1 contract off at 4. I closed the trade with 1 contract off at 5. We had 21 ticks on the ES, 2 contracts off at 3, 1 off at 4, 1 off at 11. I had a 17 tick winner on the ES, 2 off at 3, 1 off at 4. I closed this a little bit too early, 1 off at 7. And then we had the 3, 2 off at 3, and then 2 off at 0. Net ticks were 81. We made $847 today on 9 trades. That's 27 round trips. So that's about, that's about let's say $140 worth of commissions. So after commissions today, we cleared about $700. The Auto Trader had 1 trade, 1 winner. Net equity was $300. Despite the fact, I mean, 2 of these trades, losing trades, one of them was not a loser. It came back 9. If I didn't stop it, it would have gone to give us the 33 tick winner. The other one was a perfect trade. The other one was a trade without bias. So could have easily erased these two of these three losers, but you can't argue with an $847 and $50 day, and we have almost $2,000 of equity this week. So we had an absolutely fabulous week. It's a tough market, and when you can get 22, 31, 21, 17 on the ES, and 6, you're cooking. So I've always said it's not about the winners, it's about the losers. Today was one of those rare days where it was about the winners because the winners were so huge. So listen, everyone, I encourage everybody to come into the room for a free trial. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you can sign up for a link to our daily net equity. You can sign up for a free trial. We have a link for our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity for our ES Auto Trader, Russell Gold, and Crude Auto Trader. As I mentioned, we have the sign up link for the free trial. We have a contact us page. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. And I really look forward to seeing you in the trading room starting Monday. We did have a couple of good trades on the ES or the 6E. We look forward to adding that to our markets that we trade, and pull a winner or two a day off the ES. It's $12.50 a tick. We're traded on a 5 range. So listen, everyone, have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you in the trading room.